Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking to estimate the value of the limit as x approaches 0 of x over the square root of 1 plus 3x minus 1 by graphing the function in the xy plane. So I have it pulled up here in Desmos, and for this function, we are looking at the limit as x approaches 0. So we have to zoom in on x approaching 0, the y-axis, and we can see that it's approaching, as we zoom in further and further, 0.666 repeating, therefore it's approaching 2/3. So by graphing it, we can see that the limit as x approaches 0, x over the square root of 1 plus 3x minus 1 is 2/3. Next, we're going to make a table of values for f of x for values of x close to 0 and guess the value of the limit that way. So we have x and we have f of x. And if we take values of x that are getting closer and closer to 0, so let's go from the left first, negative 0.1, negative 0.01, negative 0.001. We plug these values into a calculator for this function, we get 0.612220, 0.661, 629, 0.666166. Again, we can see that it's approaching 0.666 repeating. Of course, we have to try it from the right as well. 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. Plug in these values into a calculator, we get 0.713391, 0.671630, and 0.667166. So again, we can see that these values from both sides are approaching 2/3. Therefore, we say, once again, that the limit is equal to 2/3. And finally, we're looking to estimate this value using the limit laws. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 of x over the square root of 1 plus 3x minus 1. We want to just plug in 0 to solve for it, but we have to rationalize the denominator and do some other calculations because we'd just be dividing by 0 right now if we didn't do any simplifications. So we have the square root of 1 plus 3x minus 1. So we multiply this by the square root of 1 plus 3x plus 1. Of course, you have to multiply the numerator by the same value. So we have x times the square root of 1 plus 3x plus 1 over square root of 1 plus 3x times the square root of 1 plus 3x. Square root of something squared is just a thing itself, 1 plus 3x, plus the square root of 1 plus 3x minus the square root of 1 plus 3x, cancel each other out, and then minus 1 times 1 is just minus 1. So therefore we have x times the square root of 1 plus 3x plus 1 over 1 plus 3x minus 1, the 1's cancel, we're just left with 3x. Therefore, we can cancel these out. We have the square root of 1 plus 3x plus 1 divided by 3. And now we can plug in 0 directly. So this is still the limit. Then we plug it in to get the actual value. The square root of 1 plus 3 times 0 plus 1 over 3. The square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1 over 3. Square root of 1 plus 1 over 3. 1 plus 1 over 3 is 2 over 3. And this proves, for the third method that we've tried, that the limit as x approaches 0 of f of x is equal to 2/3.